Hey fam, I wanted to document my experience on the 3-day Mucoid Plaque Cleanse. This is called So Easy 3-Day Mucoid Plaque Cleanse. And basically it gets rid of all the mucus that's been kept stored in your colon. And it actually comes out like as really thick and dark. I have heard from friends that it's really, really gnarly and really long. So I am looking forward to getting that out of my body, especially because I just feel like I'm ready to release as much density from my body as possible. And I'm about to leave on a trip for Costa Rica at my friend Michael Dash's retreat and practice some plant medicine, meditation, and just be in the jungle with light energy. So I want to be as light as possible. I will be showing you guys what I will be doing for this 3-day cleanse. It's essentially a fast with wheatgrass and vegetables and fiber. So it'll be really fun. I'll see you in the next video.
This is the 3-day cleanse, and it shows you that when you do not clean out your mucoid plaque, it could actually cause parasitic microorganisms to accumulate as well as toxins. And what it does is it helps build fiber and lubricate your colon so that you can easily get rid of this. So what we do is we follow a schedule when we wake up, when we have a snack, when we have breakfast, lunch. So you're not going to be hungry when you're taking in all these shakes. Here we go. This is called the BioBalance, and this is what it looks like.
Hey guys, I finished my wheatgrass drink, and then I actually just finished my drink that I drink after that, which is the fiber. And actually, this tastes really good. This tastes like oatmeal that's slightly sweetened with syrup. Like vanilla oatmeal. I chugged it. It was so good. And then the next one is this drink that I follow up right after. And so far, so good. Everything tastes really good and they are easily digestible.
Drinking my BioCell as my afternoon snack, and I love this because it has a sweet and sour taste. On night 2 and day 3 in the morning, I decided to give myself an abdominal massage because this really helps with the digestion process. And so when you start from the lower right corner of your abdomen and then work your fingers up, this really helps you digest. Next, this morning, I take what I usually take, my BioRegen. It has aloe vera, so this helps push things along. And then I also had some fresh celery juice. I just wanted to make it as easy as possible to clean out today.
Hey guys, day 3, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit tired, a little out of it, but I also haven't had my breakfast yet. So I've just been taking it easy on my workouts. I've been doing some stretches and some yoga and just letting myself sleep extra long. I did a belly massage last night and this morning, and that helped a lot. I got to go to the restroom last night and it felt glorious and amazing. And finally my bloating went down. So everything is going quite smoothly today so far.
BioCell. After my breakfast and BioCell this morning, I had so much energy that I actually did a little workout and I got to give myself a stomach massage through moving and stretching. Oh my God, did I feel amazing.
Would I recommend this cleanse? Wow. I'm gonna share with you the answer through telling you what happened on the end of the 3rd day. Okay, the end of the 3rd day, I was at the airport and I felt like I was floating. And the girl behind the cash register, when I went to go get a snack, yes, I did get a snack because I got something actually to have her after the cleanse because I knew that I was having a red eye. So I was like, okay. So I actually did get a little sandwich. Anyway, she said, oh my God, I just got a message from God to tell you, sister, your toes are on the ground. And she said, you are lifting up. And she said, you are here to teach others and you are here to share with others that love is the answer and your angels are guiding you. And she just went off like on this whole thing about
how she saw that I was grounded, that I was lit, that I was here to make a difference. And I teared up and I was like, can I hug you? And she said yes. And she stepped out from behind the counter, and her and I had this beautiful embrace, like in the middle of the airport, just somebody that I had never known before. That was so special and beautiful. Day 4 night, after I had already started eating again, I had the most gnarliest bathroom experience. And it wasn't black, it wasn't a black strap, but it was gnarly. It frightened me. I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of frightening. So it definitely escaped my body. Something left my body, and I'm really grateful for it. Yeah, I would highly recommend this. For someone who is on a healthy diet, this is great. It's fairly simple. For someone who does not have a healthy diet, this could be extremely difficult, because I've tried to do 10-day cleanses before, or 3-day cleanses when my diet was not good, and I suffered. It was horrible. I hated it. But on a healthy diet, it's good. It's easy. So if you have a diet that's not very good, I can support you in that by helping you with a 30-day lifestyle cleanse. And that's what I would recommend. Is it takes 30 days to build a habit. So they say it really takes more like 90 days, to be honest. But if you start with 30 days, you can practice living a lifestyle that's clean, on top of having green drinks and your aminos and your biomedic to get rid of glyphosate in your gut. So that's what I help people do with a 30-day lifestyle cleanse. You can be well on your way to living a healthy lifestyle. And then once you can do that, then you can definitely do a 3-day cleanse. If you are interested in doing a 3-day cleanse, again, I am not an affiliate, but I put the link below in my description. And if you're interested in a 30-day cleanse, then that's also linked below. All right, guys, have a beautiful rest of your week. I love you. Feel free.